Okay, so welcome to my component of the NAE4 project. So our goal with this was to improve the energetic capabilities of human settlements in the Antarctic continent, more specifically through the use of solar energy. And we wanted to ensure that the settlements there had an abundant supply of energy to last them year-round. And there's definitely limits to the Antarctic region, considering it's a cold region with climates reaching between -10 and -60 degrees Celsius. There's a 6-month period with no sunlight, and there are extremely snowy conditions. If you were to keep in mind our photovoltaic, which simply refers to the production of an electric current from two substances being exposed to light, and solar energy, which is just energy produced by the sun. So now the idea here is to create a solar sunflower shaped array that can endure Antarctic conditions. It can harness enough light efficiently. It works with a battery to create a storage system, and it can be broken down and transported easily. So basically it's a protractable cylinder that can be broken down. The solar panels can be removed, and basically it kind of protracts from the ground just like a flower. And so once it is protracted, it expands into its solar component, to let the solar panels expose themselves to the sun, and then they protract to the side to cover as much surface area as possible. And this is all driven by a motor. And of course they work with the system to ensure that the energy generated is stored. So there was a few design criteria for this, among them being efficiency, design convenience, their lifetime, their climate durability, cost effectiveness, and their practicality. So if we do go back, a few additional features that make this design different from others is, of course, the ability to be directly pointed at the sun. The cylinder located in the middle can rotate, and there's a little joint that allows the array to angle itself in accordance to be perpendicular to the sunlight. That way you have peak efficiency at all times. So again, going back to my design evaluation, I do believe I achieved all of the criteria laid out for us. Other than design, the only disadvantage I would say is that it's circular and not rectangular. So, however, I sacrificed a little bit of area for the ability to work at maximum efficiency, seeing as a kind of circular design was easier to work with, since you can easily fold it and take it apart. Anyways, thank you for listening.